back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush for September month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But first of all, let's just see the box. It's so pretty. You can just see very colorful, very pretty. So the name is EyesCrush. So yes, you can make out from the name. It's a eye subscription box and it says India's first sunglasses subscription box. So in this you will receive a beautiful sunglasses, and this time they have 23 options for you, so you can select the sunglasses as per your choice, which is amazing. Now let me tell you the price. Price is 699 rupees for a monthly subscription. And now let's just quickly start with the products. So the first thing is this is the info card. And it says EyesCrush for September month. Let's start with the first product, which is the sunglasses. So I have selected this one. Let me just show you. So this is a quite, I would say, a safe, and I love big sunglasses. So yes, I like it. And this is the style from the sides. Let me just wear it and show you. Wow, I'm loving it. So this is the one. The price for this one is 2099, which is almost 2100, and this is the style. Let's move on to the second one. The second one is the Aloe Vera magnetic cooling eye mask, which is this. So you can just see aloe vera here, and these are the magnets. If it's visible, let me just turn it around and show you. So these are the magnets. You can just refrigerate for like 5 to 10 minutes and then just keep it on your eyes. These will obviously relieve the stressed eyes. So yes, I like it. A good product. Now the price for this one, let me just see, it's 199 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Nelf USA. This is the HD Custom Pro Palette eyeshadow and oh my god, okay, wait, this is all broken here. So mine is actually broken. The price for this one is 425 rupees, but yeah, I'm gonna tell this to EyesCrush. I'm sure they will give me a replacement for this one. This is because of the courier, I guess. So this is the one. The color you can see here, it's grayish or blackish, you can say. Black grayish kind of a shade. And the price for this one is 425 rupees. So you will be getting a Nelf USA HD eyeshadow. 425 is the price. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is by Nelf USA again, and this is the High Precision Lip Definer. The price for this one is 150 rupees. The shade name is Miami Pink. Let me just show you the shade. This is the outer packing, and this is the inside. This is the shade, but let me still show you some on my hand here. So this is the shade. Let me just draw a bigger line maybe. So this is the shade. 150 is the price. Of course, very useful product, and color is nice. You can just see. I love like pink light shade. So yes, nice. Move on to the next one. The next one is by the Tea Heaven. This is a set of 2 tea bags. Detox plus Kashmiri Kawa it has. So this is how it looks. And let me just open it and show you. So it has 2 bags, I guess. Okay. So this is how it looks. Quite interesting packing. The price is not really mentioned here, so I can't tell you the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Levana. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so this is the one, Levana. This is a aloe vera anti-acne face wash, natural and handmade. So it's a natural and handmade brand, which I like it. It says a natural enriched with aloe vera extract and neem, so good combination. And it says it will improve your skin tone, reduce acne and its scars, give blemish-free natural glowing skin. The price for this one is 225 rupees. The manufacturer is of August 2019, best before August 2020, and the quantity is 100 ml. I love the bottle, so it's quite nice packing. Packing wise, it's nice. So yes, a new brand, definitely going to use it. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is this one. This is the EyesCrush leather soft case pouch for your beautiful sunglass. The price for this one is 149 rupees. And that's all what I have received in my EyesCrush for September month. The total worth of all the product is 3400 plus, which is amazing. And I've already told you that this time they have 23 different types of sunglasses, which is nice. And recently they have come up with a men's subscription box as well, and the price for that is 499 rupees. I will be mentioning the link in the description box so you guys can check it. And I will try to click some pictures with my sunglasses on, so yeah, stay connected for that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.